My name is Brad Fry and it's my privilege to be the principal at Tintern Grammar. I'm reaching out to you as a community to say thank you. Our 2018 annual giving appeal was the most successful in the recent history of the school. It's enabled us to support our group of students that are passionate about the environment. And if you've walked down the roadway towards Senior College, you will have seen a very tidy and large-scale solar installation, and that has contributed significantly to our ability to support the students' drive for sustainability. At Tintern, we have two remarkable senior students who've formed a group of other students called the Green Team. And the Green Team are a group of our young people who are absolutely committed to sustainability in our school, in our community, and in the broader world. Their leadership, their commitment, their passion is absolutely remarkable. And they've driven a change inside our school that has been wonderful to watch.
My name is Erin and I'm one of the Green Team captains this year. I really think the goal of the Green Team is raising awareness of environmental issues and ways as a school that we can really change our habits for the future of our planet.
I think it's really important that we have these initiatives because we're part of the generation that's going to feel the full force of what are all the problems we have, the climate change, all the rubbish in our oceans.
As a team, we'd all love for everyone to have awareness for sustainability and always think about our choices when it comes to recycling, reusing and reducing our waste.
I'd like to see Tintern becoming totally reliable on themselves, so they don't need to go to external sources to get their electricity. So hopefully by building out the amount of solar panels or renewable energy sources we have, we can achieve that. It's really important to have the support of the broader community and the staff, because as students we can only do so much and make the small changes, whether it's the compost bins or just encouraging people's awareness. But when the whole community is on board, we can make the bigger changes on a larger scale.
This year we will be installing a wind generator on top of the science building. Inside we will have storage batteries and a monitoring system, which also enables us to teach young people the principles of sound sustainability in the area of power. It's a remarkable thing for us to be able to do. We would be very grateful if you can find it within yourself to make a contribution, small or large as you can afford, and support the drive that these remarkable young people have towards the sustainability in our world.